Welcome to Roswell Toyota. Please enjoy this video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, iPod adapter, leather seats, Toyota Entune, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Here at Roswell Toyota, we enjoy the challenge of meeting and exceeding those standards with each and every customer committed to excellence. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you and strive for customer satisfaction. Come by and see us at 2211 West 2nd Street, Roswell, New Mexico, 88201.